In this video, I'm going to show you how to do ultimate smooth slow motion in Adobe After Effects using Twixtor plugin in only 2 minutes. If you also want to do that, so watch the full video till the end. Now first of all, what you need to do is open your Adobe After Effects. Whatever version you have installed, just open it. I have installed Adobe After Effects 2019, so I will just open it. Make sure that you have already installed Twixtor plugin. If you don't have Twixtor plugin, I'll put down the video link in the description down below so you can watch it and you will be able to use it. Now once you've opened your Adobe After Effects, then you need to create a new composition and also import your video, and also make sure that the composition setting frame rate is 60. If your frame rate is not 60, then your video will lag a little bit. Then hit OK. Now once you have inputted your video, then you need to cut that part which one is slow motion. Now I want to slow motion this part where the player jumps. So then I will go to Effects and Preset tab. Then I will here search for Twixtor. Then I will drag and drop this plugin on my video. Now in the effects control, then you have to do some settings. Is the motion sensitivity to 100%. Then also frame interpolation, set this to motion weighted blend, and also turn on smart blend. Now once you've done that, you need to add keyframes. Now at that point player jumps, so I will add a keyframe. To add keyframes, you need to click on this icon, then press U on your keyboard. Now from here I will go 10 frames forward by pressing Ctrl Shift and right arrow key. Then I will add another keyframe by clicking on this icon. Then I will change the speed to 20%. Then I will add another keyframe by clicking on this button. Then I will go 10 frames forward by pressing Ctrl Shift and right arrow. Then I will set the speed to 100%. Now for smooth experience, you have to adjust the speed graph. So I will select all of the keyframes. Then I will press F9 on my keyboard to easy ease. Now select all the keyframes, then click on this icon, graph editor. Then you can adjust the graph according to your video. And you have to do something like this for better experience. Then go to the very end, then also change this graph. Now your clip is ready. I will turn off graph editor, then I will preview my video. Now let's check how it's done. Now after rendering this clip, as you can see that it is looking perfect. For a more better look, you can also add RSMB effect in your video. So I will drag and drop RSMB Pro on my video. Then I will change the main BG sensitivity to 100 and main BG blur amount to 1. Now that will look great. Now if you apply RSMB in your clip, that will look great and your slow motion will be look amazing. Now let me render this clip and then I will show you how it's looking. As you can see that it is looking amazing after applying RSMB effect. As you can see that the motion blur in the background is looking amazing. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more amazing tutorials like this.